Hi, this is Papa Luigi. I encourage you to do the tapping at least once a day for the next week. Also, I want to show you a quick way of how to do the tapping and how to tap on each point. We begin with the karate chop, which is where we have the our opening statement or holding statement. And for example, even though I have these limiting beliefs and they're holding me back, I still love, honor, and accept myself. Now you tap on that 3 times, and after the 3rd time, then we begin to tap through the points. And the first point was saying the phrase in the tapping script that we've given you. These limiting beliefs, and then tap on the side of the eye. These limiting beliefs are holding me back. And then under the eye is the next point. And then saying each statement under the nose, the chin, and then the collarbone, and then under the arm, about in the midway, about a hand's width from your armpit, and tapping on the head. And so you go through the tapping script like that, and while you're tapping on each point, saying the phrase out loud. The reason you want to say it out loud is because it makes it more real for you and makes you more aware of it and more conscious. And that way, this awareness, bringing up the limiting beliefs, allow you to release them. And then you say the positive rounds. So I hope you enjoy it. And also, I'm encouraging you to do it at least for a week. Practice it, and maybe even 2 weeks. And whenever you feel like a limiting belief is holding you back. And then if you would like some more help from me, I would be more than happy to have a free tapping session with you after you finish the program. And there'll be a link below where you can click on it, and it will take you to my calendar link, and you can set up a time and a day which is convenient for you for us to get together on Zoom. And I'd be more than happy to give you a free tapping session so you can really feel how tapping can shift your mindset for the positive and to create new possibilities. Thank you, and have a great day. Looking forward to your success. Peace, love, and joy. Papa Luigi. Bye.